Hello everyone. So Publix supermarket here in Florida, they are now carrying jerk wings, but when we went to get the jerk wings, it was all done. It was sold out. And then we saw where they had the Walker's Wood jerk 8-piece dark. So this is all dark meat, jerk chicken, and I'm going to try it, right? So Publix supermarket is now carrying a different flavor, right? They need to change stuff up, and they're going Jamaican with the jerk. So we're going to take a look. And there we go. It smells pretty good. This was for $10.49. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Dark meat. Jerk chicken. So I'm going to take one out and try it. Just listen for my reaction. Oh, there we go. So listen. Actually good. It is spicy. Oh yeah. Is it authentic? Of course not. You have to go to Jamaica for that. Not even the Jamaican restaurants up here can get it just like home, but this is good. This is good. I would say Pollo Tropical, you have a run for your money if Publix is going to start permanently with these. You know, this is good. They're spicy, but I would say medium spicy. One more bite. $10.50. We'll try that Publix supermarket in Florida. I don't know where else they have Publix, but yeah, this is delicious.